Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today, we're checking out this cool little racetrack thing right here that the brand sent us. Look at how far this folds out. And then actually folds back in on this little this little truck right here. My granddaughter's playing with it. She loves cars, and the main thing she really loves is dinosaurs. And look at this. It comes with all these little dinosaur guys right here. Boom, right there. And then it has this little launcher thing on here. You hit it and boom, your car goes launching. She thinks that's really neat. And then if you want to, you can take these off. And then after you take those off, this actually folds up into the little transport vehicle. Right there you go. And then you can put all your cars in there. And then this folds up here on the side, and you have a nice way to store everything after you're done playing. So overall, really cool little toy. It turns into a big toy and that race car track. And it has the little launcher here, along with a whole bunch of different cars. Comes with these additional little cars, as well as all your little dinosaur ones in here that fill it up. So if you're interested in something like this, I highly recommend it, especially for, a little one that loves dinosaurs, cars, or both, like my granddaughter. Go ahead and check it out.